Side chicks are different from runs girls. Side chicks are the women that your husband dates, love, keep, and talk to. They are like spare tires. Runs girls are the women that your husband fuck. Know the difference. My name is Okoro Blessing Nkiruka, and I'm popularly known as Blessing CEO, your #1 relationship therapist in Africa. Side chicks are different from runs girls. A lot of women are beginning to mistake the both of them. I hear so many women saying, side chick are prostitute, side chick are this, side chick are that. No, a lot of side chicks are even more powerful than wives. Stop mistaking a side chick for a runs girl. A side chick is that woman that your husband is dating. A side chick is that woman that your husband is talking to. A side chick is that woman that your husband goes to when you're not available. She's like a spare tire. She plays almost the same role that you have. The difference is that she doesn't have the kind of commitments that you have. She's not married to him, but she knows everything about him. A side chick is that woman that your husband is talking to 24 hours. When you guys are having misunderstanding, even when you are not having misunderstanding, the side chick is always by the corner, waiting. Exactly. While a runs girl is that one that your husband patronizes, your man patronizes when he wants to have sex, when he has the urge, when he has an adventure, when he wants to do all his sexual desires, escapades, and crazy imagination. That is a runs girl. A man doesn't communicate with a runs girl. He just knock her and go. A man do not communicate with a prostitute. He just knock her and go. It is just exchange of sex and money that is between the both of them. Remember, I once told you, don't be afraid of the woman your husband is having sex with. Be more afraid of the woman that your husband is talking to. Exactly. So side chick is that woman that your husband is talking to. That's why it looks as if they have more hold and more power on your men. It's not juju. It's communication. Your husband gave them that power, time, attention, and affection. That's why it's affecting your home and your relationship. I've told you this before. A lot of men do not marry women they love. They marry women they need. They marry women that they can use. They marry women that they know that, okay, this person can help. Exactly. They marry women with potentials. They marry women for different reasons. Many of them marry women that are ready when they are ready to marry. So the moment they get to marry, they find the love of their life. But because at that point they're in committed relationships and marriage, they cannot go. Yes, they now finally find the one that they love. Now, why am I doing this video? I'm not doing this video to encourage side chick or runs. I'm only telling a lot of people who are married or in committed relationship. You people underrate communication a lot. Whenever we come and talk about communication in a relationship and marriage, you will think it's a joke. Communication is more powerful than sex. That thing that is called bonding is talking. When people are able to talk to you, that's when you know them. A lot of you are married to strangers. A lot of you have married men that you don't know jack about. You don't know anything about them. A lot of you are married to men that you cannot communicate with. You can't even have conversations with. Some of you can sit with your husband for 1 hour, 30 minutes. It's not possible. There is absolutely nothing to talk about except when you guys are fighting or quarreling. Exactly. That's the reason why I'm differentiating between a side chick and a runs girl. Side chicks are more powerful. They are not just ordinary women. They are women that are beautiful, women that have goals, women that have dreams, women that are independent, women that have money of their own. A lot of side chicks these days are not chasing your husband because of money. A lot of side chicks actually have money of their own. Yes, they are women like you. The difference is that a lot of side chicks, your husband did not see them before he saw you. So why am I doing this video? It's time to put your eyes in your home and begin to communicate. Because it is communication, it is conversation that holds a man down, that makes a man begin to look inside. Because these days, when a lot of married women get married, they feel relaxed. A lot of people in this part of the world called Africa actually thinks that marriage is a trap, especially women. They feel that the moment they have gotten the ring, they're answering the missus. They now own the man. No, you don't own him. If you do not put in effort in communicating, my dear, you're going to be married to this man and the side chick will be enjoying him. You will be cracking bone and side chick will be eating meat. There are some side chicks that are enjoying the better part of your husband. Many of you women are just slaves. The difference is that side chick does not have the title, but she enjoys the benefits. You have the title, but you have no benefits. It's just like answering manager, and they are paying you 20,000 naira every month. And the person that is not answering manager is actually earning 500,000 every month. Some married women just have title without benefits. Side chicks have more benefits. So pay attention. A lot of side chicks have become very powerful. Do you know why? This side chick does not become powerful because your husband is sleeping with them. Nope. The side chick became powerful because a lot of married women are beginning to pay attention to them. Yes. Instead of you to build your home, instead of you to focus on your husband, instead of you to mend your home, you are busy pursuing a small girl. She's not your problem. Side chick have become very powerful because you have told them that, yes, so they are powerful. By making them understand that they are the problem in your home. Many married women are the people who have given side chicks so much guts to be able to even come out. What am I trying to say? Focus on your home. Build conversations. If you know you cannot talk to a man, don't marry him. I keep saying this. If you cannot talk to your man for more than 1-2 hours, people cannot gist, don't marry him. If not, somebody will be collecting your benefits. You just be answering wife and be wearing 2 rings for nothing. So I thought I should make this video and make a lot of married women understand the difference. Side chicks are not prostitutes. Side chicks are beautiful, independent, strong women just like you. So my darling, forget all those is juju. There's nothing like juju. Learn to communicate with your husband. Learn to bond with your husband. In this part of the world, a lot of men cannot express themselves. So a man is looking for that woman he can go and pour all his mind and everything to. Make him feel free. Make him come home. Don't be a judgmental wife. Let him be able to communicate with you. It is through communication that you can get his mumu button. Let him know that he can be able to come home to you, even if he errs. Let him come back and say, baby, I'm sorry. So that another woman does not trap him and be collecting your benefits while you are busy carrying title on your head and shouting, Mrs. 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 I love you guys. Have a wonderful day.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware